Today we are going to learn about the evolution of states and union territories of India. Firstly, we will start with the historical overview from the year 1947 to the present of 2026. The internal political map of the India has continuously transformed since independence to the address linguistic, cultural, and administrative complexities. Linguistic stands for the way of language, the type of language which the human speak, and the culture and administrative way of. Administrative stands for the way of the thing which is gonna do by the politicals or the administrators. The year 1947 to 1950, it was the independence to republic stage. Geopolitically, it is divided into four distinct categories of states. Part A, former British provinces. Part B, princely states. Part C, chief commissioner provinces. And the Part D, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The second phase, 1956, the turning point. The Landmark States Reorganization Act 1956 completely dissolved the old categories, introducing a streamlined layout consisting of 14 states and 6 union territories, based primarily on linguistic lines. Next, there comes the third phase, 2000. Threefold expansion. 3 major states were created simultaneously for tribal development and better administrative accessibility. Uttarakhand from UP, Jharkhand from Bihar, and Chhattisgarh from Madhya Pradesh. The fourth phase, 2014 to present updates. Telangana was created out of Andhra Pradesh in the year 2014. In the year 2019, Jammu and Kashmir state was systematically reorganized into 2 separate union territories, J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh. Next, here comes the fifth phase. Current standing, the year 2026. India proudly comprises exactly 28 states and 8 union territories, UTs. Second, the constitutional representation matrix. The voice of the citizens is represented across 2 legislative tiers, whose boundaries are drawn on proportional demographies. The Lok Sabha, LS, the lower house of the parliament representing national level parliamentary constituencies. Lok Sabha can also be said as a lower house. Rajya Sabha can also be said as a upper house. Rajya Sabha said as RS, the upper house of the parliament representing state level legislative councils allocations. Legislative assemblies, also known as Vidhan Sabha, in short form it is said as a VS. The state level legislative assembly seats governing local portfolios. Next, there comes a comprehensive directory of the states, A and M. Present states registry and seats distribution, a detailed inventory tracking the present day representation strength across states. Here is the serial number provided, state names, capital cities, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, assemblies. The first one, Andhra Pradesh, capital city Amravati, Lok Sabha 25, Rajya Sabha 11, Assembly 175. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar capital, 2 Lok Sabha, 1 of Rajya Sabha, 60 of assemblies. Assam, the capital city of Dispur, 14 Lok Sabha, 7 Rajya Sabha, 126 assembly. Bihar, Patna capital city, 40 LS, 16 RS, 243 VS. Chhattisgarh, capital city, Raipur, 11 LS, 5 RS, 90 VS. Goa, Panaji, 2 LS, 1 RS, 40 VS. Gujarat, Gandhinagar, capital city is of Gandhinagar, 26 LS, 11 RS, 182 VS. Next, Haryana, Chandigarh, capital city, 10 LS, 5 RS, 90 VS. Himachal Pradesh, capital city, Shimla, 4 LS, 3 RS, 68 VS. Jharkhand, Ranchi, 14 LS, 6 RS, 81 VS. Karnataka, capital city, Bengaluru, also known as Bangalore, 28 LS, 12 RS, 224 VS. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, capital city, 20 LS, 9 RS, 140 VS. Madhya Pradesh, also known as MP, Bhopal, capital city, 29 LS, 11 RS, 230 VS. Maharashtra, Mumbai, which is famously known for its more technology and the more growing population. Also, it is mostly known for the biggest slum known as Dharavi, which is the Asia's and the world's biggest slum. The slum is a place where many people live together within a short area place. 48 LS, 19 RS, 288 VS. Manipur, Imphal, 2 LS, 1 RS, and 60 VS. Key policy facts of the states like Maharashtra and Bihar hold massive legislative power due to high population concentrations, directly driving national policy dynamics in the lower house of the parliament. Next, here comes the comprehensive directory of the M to Z. Meghalaya, capital city Shillong, 2LS, 1RS, 60 VS. Mizoram, capital city Aizawl, 1LS, 1RS, 40 VS. Nagaland, capital city Kohima, 1LS, 1RS, 60 VS. Odisha, capital city Bhubaneswar, 21LS, 10RS, 147 VS. Punjab, capital city Chandigarh, 13LS, 7RS, 117 VS. Rajasthan, Jaipur, capital city. Rajasthan is considered a desert area where it is having more desert. There are less plants. It is also having a scarcity of the water. It is also known as the pink city. 25LS, 10RS, 200 VS. Tamil Nadu, capital city Chennai. It is a coastal state. 39LS, 18RS, 234 VS. Telangana, capital city Hyderabad, which is also known as the city of the perils. 17LS, 7RS, 119 VS. Tripura, Agartala, 2LS, 1RS, 60 VS. UP, also known as Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, 80 VA 80 LS, 31 RS, 403 VS. Uttarakhand, Dehradun, 5LS, 3RS, 70 VS. West Bengal, Kolkata, 42LS, 16 RS and 294 VS. Note on Uttar Pradesh holiday, on Uttar Pradesh holding 80 Lok Sabha and 403 assembly seats, UP stands as the most electorally significant state in India, historically acting as a main anchor for forming central governments. Next, there comes the Union Territories, UTs, and the key milestones. The Union Territory Registry. Present day, Union Territories are the administratively controlled directly by the central government via administrators and lieutenant governors appointed by the president. Only 3 UTs, Union Territories, possess their own local legislative assemblies. Union Territories, capital cities, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Assembly, Lok Sabha, also known as LS, Rajya Sabha, also known as RS, Assembly, also known as VS. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital city, Port Blair, LS1, RS0, VS0. Chandigarh, capital city, Chandigarh, LS1, RS0, Assembly 0. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, capital city, Daman, 2LS, 2LS, 0RS, 0 VS. Delhi, NCT, capital city, New Delhi, 7LS, 3RS, 70 VS. J&K, also known as Jammu and Kashmir, capital city, Srinagar or Jammu, 5LS, 4RS, 90 VS. Ladakh, capital city, Leh, 1LS, 0RS, 0 VS. Lakshadweep, capital city, Kavaratti, 1LS, 0RS, 0 VS. The last one, Puducherry, capital city, Puducherry, 1LS, 1RS, 30 VS. Major territorial milestones and consolidations. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu merger in the year 2020. Formally unified into a single administrative union territory, UT, via parliamentary legislation in January 2020 year to trim redundant operational overheads, raising total representation to 2 Lok Sabha seats. Jammu and Kashmir state bifurcation in the year 2019. Effective from the 31st October 2019, the special statehood provisions of J&K were nullified, partitioning the old territory into the standalone union territory of Jammu and Kashmir, retaining a 90-seat local assembly and the standalone assembly-less union territory of Ladakh. Next, a quick review. Summary is of 28 states, union territories of the 8 states. Total Lok Sabha seats represented across India are the 543. UTs with dedicated legislative assemblies, Delhi, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.